We are here today at the Terranea Resort at the CCC Claims Conference in Palos Verdes in California to give away these two vehicles to two well-deserving military families. It's our pleasure to work with both the Caliber Collision Centers, who did the repairs, as well as LC Automotive, who did the repairs on the other vehicle.
Very proud to partner up with LC Automotive and our Ramona Auto Body technicians and the NABC to donate this car to David, and we're very proud of his service.
This is our 48th vehicle since 2008, and in the last 15 months, this is the 7th to our military families.
These men and women behind me put their heart and soul into fixing this car. There was a lot of work that went into this car, but it felt really good for us to all come together as a unit and get this vehicle put back together for a needy family, and not to mention a veteran of the United States Navy.
We had a number of techs working on the car. They did a fabulous job. We had a number of vendors that participated, as they did with Caliber, in providing parts and services. I want to thank David. I've gotten to know David, and I've gotten to know Tracy, his fiance. Spent 11 years in the military in the Army, Korea, Saudi Arabia, was in the reserves for a while, 5 years in the U.S. Forest Service. Going to make great use out of the car.
These are the people that defend our freedom and liberties on a day-to-day basis, and a lot of us take that for granted, and we don't do that. So it's easy, obviously, as a way of showing our appreciation for the sacrifices that you people make each and every day. It's just a token of gratitude, and we thank you very, very much.
Let's have those families come forward and take a look at the vehicles that they're going to have. There we go.
Okay. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it.